likes gossip. She likes gossip.
Hi everyone, this is Plug TV. My name is Ojimba Loretta and I'm the CEO of Sisi Lore's Place. On today's program, I'm going to be teaching you how to highlight your brows, how to shapen your brows, and how to fill in your brows. And also, I'm going to be teaching two eyeshadow techniques, which is the night look and the day look. For the night look, it's going to be smoky eye, and then the day look is going to be something very subtle. So please stay tuned. Starting with the eyebrow, and every makeup application has their own tools. They have their tools of the trade. So the first thing you need is your spoolie, which is also, some people call it mascara wand. You also need your eye pencil to fill in the sparse area. You need your angle brush, and then you need your flat brush, and also your concealer. So I'm going to be starting with the eyebrow. Brows. And I'm going to draw a straight line from here down to the arc, which is the part of the eyebrow that has been raised. And I'm going to draw a straight line down here, then bring it down to where the last hair of our brow is. And I'm going to start with the top. I'm going to continue with the top. Same straight line. It's going to be straight, yes, but it's going to slant up and come down. Once I get to the arc, I'm going to bring it down to meet the other line. And I'm going to fill the sparse area with the pencil. So this is where my spoolie comes in. I'm going to use my spoolie to brush the pencil into the brows, and also take it to the front, to the inner corner, and brush it out. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So you start your brow from this part of your nose. Okay? So when you use your pencil to measure, that's where your eyebrows start from. Because some people have unicorn brows, whereby they have so much hair here, and some don't even have at all. So for those that have so much hair here, you have to take off the hair here and measure your brows from here. That's where your eyebrows start from. So I'm going to do the same thing for the lower parts. I won't fill it in all the way down here because I need to make this place fade out. So the next is concealing the eyebrow and highlighting. What most people know as highlighting the eyebrow. Okay, so the essence of highlighting the brow is to define the brow bone and also to make the eyebrow pop more. So I'm going to start defining from the arc part of our brows. I'm just using it to make the line pop, to make the line more straight and clean off the excess that I don't want in the eyebrow. Bring the concealer all the way down. And lest I forget, I'm using an angled brush and the shorter part of the angled brush, because it's angled and it's slanted up. So the shorter part of this angled brush leads the way while the longer part follows. It doesn't go the other way around. The shorter part is leading the way. I'm slanting up. So right now I'm doing the upper part of the eyebrow, and I'm making use of the color of our foundation so that it can blend into our skin by the time I am ready to apply foundation on our face. So once it gets, I used the angled brush to apply the foundation in a straight line, same way I did for the underneath part. So once I get to the arc of the eyebrow, which is here, I slant the brush down. So I go back to the arc to make the angle of her eyebrow soft and not too sharp. So I'm doing the same to the other brow. So once I get to the arc, bring it down. Some people call this brush super shader brush. So I'm going to make use of my super shader brush to get 2 shades of powder, 2 shades lighter of powder to set the lower part of the concealer into our skin. The essence of this is to help the concealer stay longer on the brows, and so that by the time sun hits our face, it doesn't get to crease or get to break or look funny. So if I wasn't doing eyeshadow or do makeup, like if I'm just I am doing her brows, I will have to make use of a shade lighter for this lower part of the brows so that it doesn't look different from her face. But because I'm going to be making use of eyeshadow, I need it to pop. I need it highlighted. That's the reason why I'm making use of 2 shades lighter color of powder for the lower part. So for the top part, I'm going to be making use of a color. So I'm making use of this color of powder to set the foundation that was used to highlight the upper part. To seal the eyebrow, I'm going to be making use of my eyebrow mascara to seal the brows so that it can help it last longer, and then in case it's looking too dark, it can fade it out a bit too. The essence of it is actually to make the eyebrow last longer. Okay guys, that's it for eyebrow filling, highlighting.
Like dashing.